practice this for hours, gone round and round. And now I think that I've got it all down. And as I say it louder, I love how it sounds. 'Cause I'm not taking the easy way out. Not wrapping this in ribbons, shouldn't have to give a reason why. It's no surprise I won't be here tomorrow. I can't believe that I stayed till today. Yeah, you and I will be, it's a fact to follow. But I know in time we'll find this was no surprise. Let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you used to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. And there's a side to you that I never do all the things you'd say. They were never true, and the games you play, you would always win, always win. So I set fire to the rain, watch it pour inside, touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something tight, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that how you call it must be waiting for you. Even now that we're already over, I can't help myself, I'm looking for you. It's no surprise I won't be here tomorrow. I can't believe that I stayed till today. There's nothing here in this heart left to borrow. There's nothing here in this song left to say. No, don't be surprised when we hate this tomorrow. God knows we try to find an easy way. Yeah, you and I will be, it's a fact to follow. But I know in time we'll find this one's not